What if I told you we came to Kenya for a safari
but ended up riding a matatu?
and cooking dinner in a stranger's kitchen? Our friend Josephine took us on a journey through the heart of Nairobi. No tours, no filters, just real life. Markets, chaos, connection, and a homemade meal we'll never forget.
This was made with love.
Join us for this 3-part series, and trust us, you've never seen Nairobi like this.
Well, here we are in Nairobi. We've just met up with our friend Josephine, and she's going to take us to a local market and help us choose our ingredients, because she's going to show us how to cook some traditional food tonight. We are going to get on a matatu, so a traditional bus to the market to get some food to cook our dinner. The roads are super busy. I get the feeling it's going to be a little bit like India, where we just have to run. But I might be wrong. I can see the Matatu just in front of us. Really looking forward to cooking some traditional food with our local friend Josephine. We haven't really tried any Kenyan African food before, so I'm really excited to see what it's like. Our local bus has arrived. Didn't take long to wait for a bus. Right, we get in? Right.
Thanks.
I like the music. You like the music, Oliver? Our buses aren't like this, are they?
Nah. It's got a television at the front.
Oh yeah, look, they're all singing.
Wow. Very loud. I feel the bass going through me. I think I'm really going to love Nairobi.
Thank you. That was an experience on the bus. They had music blaring out. What did you say the market was called?
Kangemi.
Kangemi.
Yeah, Kangemi. It's an everyday market.
And it's an everyday market.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at all the fruit. She's going to help us choose all the ingredients for tonight. This is cool, isn't it?
Something different.
We've never done anything like this before.
Matata ni uto.
You smell all of those nice fruits and the herbs. Tomato. I think they're potatoes. Yeah.
You're going to pick some to take.
So they're going to put some potatoes in the bucket. It might be heavy. I'm guessing that, are they going in our stew maybe?
Yeah.
I think we're making chicken stew, chapatis. Avocado. Wow.
Wow, that's the biggest avocado I've ever seen.
I thought that this was a mango, but I've been corrected, it's an avocado. I've never seen such a big avocado. We've got to get the next ingredients.
Can we get one tomato? Oh no, just one. Just one. Just one. Just one tomato. Just one. Just one. We need one. Yeah, just one. Yeah. You keep it. Thank you. It's okay. You can keep it. Welcome. Come on. Take all the chickens. And here, look, Violet, the chickens. Right, let's keep walking in case they bite you. Be careful of the big hole, Violet. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
I'm cool.
Everyone here is so friendly as well. Really welcoming us with a smile. I've never seen so much fruit and veg in one place. More avocado! Oh yeah, come on.
A big massive.
A big massive one, yeah. Do you have like different markets for spices and things as well.
For?
Like spices and things like that.
Chicken.
Oh yeah, another chicken.
It's inside the house.
Say hi, Oliver. Oliver, this lady said hello.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say hello. Being friendly. Hello.
Hi.
Oliver, say hello. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, lots of tomatoes. Lots of tomatoes for the Oh, you got your own.
Yes.
Is this for the stew as well?
Yes. Yes.
Count 5 tomatoes for me, Oliver.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
Good boy.
Put them in the bag. Okay. Can you come and count 3?
Violet, can you count 3?
Count 3, please.
5 and 3.
Good girl. Good counting.
No more for you because I got 16.
There
Thank
we go.
you for helping.
That's all I have.
Oh, use those muscles.
What's the blue one? How much is this?
200.
200, okay.
Yes.
Oh, the kids really enjoyed that. Counting all of the tomatoes for the stew. We read a story. Charlie will never eat a tomato, and in that book they're called moon squirters. So if you hear Violet reference to a moon squirter, it's the tomatoes.
Stay with me, okay? That's 5. Hey.
Ugali.
Gali. Free or none?
Ugali.
Free or none?
Ugali.
Free or none?
Chakula ya Kenya. Huh?
What is it? Food.
Kuma.
Kuma.
Kuma wiki.
Okay.
Kuma wiki.
Kuma wiki. We're cooking, we're gonna...
We're gonna make that tonight. Mummy likes it.
My name is John.
John.
Yes.
John counting his potatoes.
This is potatoes.
Potatoes.
Potatoes. Good that, yes.
Oh wow, look at the fruit. Look at those bananas, they're huge.
Look at these slices.
Look at the size of that banana. They are pink lady apples, Ed.
Can we buy some?
Pink lady.
Pink lady, yeah.
Maybe some mangoes if we get them on the other side.
How are you? You look very good. What's your name? Wow, you look very nice. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Christopher. Thank you, sir. I'm Christopher.
Oliver.
Oliver. Oliver, you're good. That means?
Kuna Matata.
Okay, Oliver Matata. Very good boy. That's very nice.
Hey! How are you?
Very good. Wow, look at that. Thank you. Nice time. Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kuna Matata. Oliver, can the lady hold you for a photo?
Hello. I take a photo.
Go and sit with the lady. Get a photo.
Simamisha mmoja pale mwingine. Mia.
Oliver!
Everyone wants their picture taken with Oliver and Violet.
Hello.
Giving them high fives. Say hi.
Wait, guys. Wait. Oliver, Violet, wait here. Mummy. Waiting for Josephine, okay? Come here. I don't think I've ever smiled so much.
Everyone's really friendly.
Yeah, you can't help but smile when you come here. How much is the sausage?
Mom, you get burned.
Come on. It was smoky sausage for 40 shillings.
From what I got of it, it tastes really nice.
Hi.
This way, guys. This way, guys.
I haven't eaten it, I just bit into it to make it cooler. I didn't eat it. I got caught.
That's a good smoky sausage.
I got a lick of it when I started to do
it's
Oliver's
nice.
and then I got
No, it's
caught.
actually really good.
Oliver's nearly finished it. You better save me a bite. You better eat.
Must be a ton of potatoes in there or something.
How many people are we cooking for? We've got a lot of vegetables and fruits here.
Huh?
This is a brilliant experience. This is definitely worth doing with the kids. They're loving seeing all the veg and counting it all.
This way. This way.
This one.
Come on, this way.
My friend, you're good. Yeah. Oliver.
We've got, I don't know, potatoes, onions, apples, bananas, pineapples, limes, tomatoes, you name it, we've got it.
We've just finished our shopping, so we're going to get back on the bus now. Josephine's going to show us how to cook all of it. I can't wait. This has been a fantastic experience, though. Everyone is so friendly.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
I just felt someone over my shoulder. Should we go do some cooking?
Okay, we're on the Moana bus.
Now that we've done all of our shopping, we've just come into Josephine's house, and she's got a couple of little kids that are playing with Oliver and Violet, so they're quite occupied, which is lovely. So now Josephine is going to show us how to cook with the ingredients that she's just bought for us, some traditional food. So I'm so excited, I can't wait to taste it. It's going to be something really, really different experience. We've never done anything like this before, so I'm looking forward to having some cooking classes.
This is our chicken.
Is our chicken?
Yes, so we're going to steam it first without water.
Okay.
Just salt. Let the water come out and then
So you like cook it with its own juices effectively?
yes,
Okay.
yes.
We are going to cook chicken stew, and I think it's called ugali, which is like, what's ugali? It's like a flour.
It's like polenta.
Polenta. Okay.
Yes, it's like polenta. So,
And
the
chapati.
ingredients and chapatis, yes.
I'm washing the fruit. Oh, she's throwing the fruit at me. What have I got here? Mango.
Very good. Hope they are right. This is the amaranth leaves. So we're going to just get the leaves. And this is called manado. So mostly instead of the kale, sukuma wiki is kale. I don't know if you have kale.
Is that what I tried today in the
Yeah,
market?
that's what you tried.
How do you say it?
Kale.
Kale.
Zucchini.
Sukuma wiki.
Sukuma wiki
Yes, sukuma.
is made of kale. Made from kale.
So sukuma wiki is Swahili,
Yeah.
and it's the name we give to the kale.
Yeah. What's this, Zoe?
We're now making
That's
ugali.
ugali.
Is this a dessert or is this a?
That's a main course.
A main course.
Like, yeah, it's a main course.
It's your staple food, okay?
Yes.
Instead of like rice or something, or
Yes.
maize flour.
Yes.
It's it gets really thick, so it's quite difficult to mix it.
Yes.
We're nearly done our vegetables, and then we're going to start on the chapatis and the stew.
So how are we going to make chapatis then?
With
From
the
scratch?
Yeah, from scratch.
Same as the Indian chapati. Is it the same?
No. It's in between the Indian paratha and the naan.
Okay.
It's done. We're going to make a stew. The chicken is cooked. Yeah, it's also done.
If you're in the house, shoes off. If you're in the house, shoes off. Violet, what's wrong?
Press it here. And you put it here.
Oh, and like balls.
Yes.
Okay.
Like balls.
I think they have it like instead of rice or this. I think we did like the flour, and then maybe I don't know whether we boiled it, and then I had to mix it. It was really hard to mix, and now I'm pressing it into balls, and we're putting it in a hot plate ready to serve it up with the food.
2 tablespoons of oil
Yeah.
with warm water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we put the sugar. As we put in the sugar and the salt, and then they balance. So with 1 cup, we put 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So this is all-purpose.
Okay.
It's not the self-rising. So we are going to prepare the stew.
I very rarely get to cook like this at home.
So we're using the juices from the chicken
Yeah. To cook.
with what, some oil,
Yeah.
onion. Now the mix.
Yeah, we need some fast hands now. Try to tighten it a little bit, and then you fix it over here, and then you press it, and then you dip it into the flour on both sides. So we are going to pre-cook it for a few seconds. So this one is ready.
Today we
What have we made?
made new curry.
Ugali
Go on then.
and curry.
Chicken stew.
Chicken stew. They don't call it curry here.
And chapatis are on the way.
That's it, just one second.
Chicken's really tasty.
Oh, amazing. We've been cooking that for a couple of hours now. So it's beautiful.
What do you think, Oliver?
Yummy.
Really good. It's like a mild, very mild curry.
Yeah, but what do you think of the ugali?
On its own,
It's a bit
a
bland.
little bit bland on its own, but mixed in with the curry sauce is really nice. And the quality of the meat is really good as well. On the edges, it's not too hot.
Daddy spent a long time rolling those out.
Me too.
This was made with love. I reckon that is the best chapati I've ever had.
I think it's safe to say we've got some very satisfied tummies. That food was delicious. It's quite satisfying that we made it all ourselves as well. The lady's been super friendly. It's great that she's had the kids for them to play with. But I think now it's time for us to go home and get in bed, because we've got an early day ahead of us tomorrow, because we are headed out on a safari. We are so excited, but we are also shattered.
This was one of the most unique experiences we've ever had. Not just in Kenya, but anywhere in the world. The kindness of the people, the energy of the markets, and the incredible home-cooked food. It all left a mark on us. Thank you, Kenya, for welcoming our family with open arms. Make sure you subscribe to join us in part 2. The safari begins.